All right, so they will absolutely grow after 3 months being in the box. I've been just spraying them with the water bottle. And today they let out some spores. So we've got some little baby mushrooms all over the counter, but now it's time to cook these bad boys. Oh, and I forgot to say, this is 1 week after opening the box. We're gonna cook it, each one of these a little bit different. The pink one right here, they say tastes like bacon. So we're gonna chop it up in little bits and pan fry it. Just gonna rip it right off the block. So cool. And then for a second flush, we're going to soak the block later and see if we can get a whole nother batch of mushrooms to grow out of it. So that was the pink oyster, and now for the golden oyster. This is the most fun part. Oh man, look at all of that. The pink ones that taste like bacon, we're going to chop it up in little bits like this and then pan fry it in some butter with a little bit of salt and paprika at the end. All right, it's been a couple minutes now. We're going to add some Himalayan pink salt because, well, they're pink oyster mushrooms. Why not pink salt? Just a little bit like that. Then we're going to come in with some smoked paprika. Just a little bit like that. And it's getting kind of crunchy, and I think we are almost done. Go ahead and kill the flame. Looks about like it right there. Now, does it really taste like bacon? Okay, that's weird. A mushroom that tastes like bacon. It's pretty dang good. And it's good for you. That's pretty dang wild. All right, now we're gonna do the golden oysters just a little bit different. Man, I need another piece of that. That is crazy. Bacon. So we're gonna leave the golden mushrooms a little big. So we're not gonna dice them up. We're just gonna cut them off of the stump like this. Leaving just the stump for the compost pile. These kind of smell lemony. Okay, I got 2 sheets of aluminum foil. Go ahead and hit them with a little bit of salt, some pepper, some extra virginated olive oil, and the same stuff I've got my steaks marinating, which is my favorite Allegro marinade. Liberally, just like that. Let's go ahead and throw in some of this butter since it's right here. About 2 tablespoons of butter. Kind of melt down in there on the grill. Toss that together a little bit. Oh baby. Put our butter back on top. Seal them up. That's ready for the grill. While we got the tin foil out, we're going to go ahead and lay a sheet down here because the mushrooms will skeet all over your countertop. Then when we soak our blocks, we can put them back on the tin foil. We don't have to worry about the spores getting everywhere again. While we're waiting on the grill to heat up, we're going to go ahead and just soak this block just like so. Let it absorb. This will go down through the X that we cut into it, so I'm just going to let that block absorb the water. And then hopefully we'll get a second flush out of this thing. Okay, it absorbed most of the water, and we'll keep misting it too to keep it moist and hopefully get that other flush of mushrooms, and we can eat them all over again. Tinfoil is a good idea. Now I'm going to use the pink ones, since they taste like bacon, as a bacon topper on my salad. Now we're going to take the golden oyster mushroom, just put it right on top of our steak, just like that. Oh man, that's good. This one has more of a citrus, nutty, kind of pepper, a little spice taste to it. It's going to go great with that steak. So, doesn't get much easier than that. Try it yourself or give it to your plant nerd friend. Link in the description below.